We're at the Sugarloaf Reservoir. We're doing our 18-kilometer walk. Here's the start. See how much energy they have? Let's see how they will be at the end of the walk, okay? Oh, can't even see them. Let's catch up. Look at the kangaroo right there. You can go? Yes, sorry. Hello. We're friendly. We're just coming to say hello. Oh, how cute. Bye-bye. Here you go. There's a few kangaroo here. Right, Zoe? Here you go. Here you go. So many of them. Oh, that one's showing its tummy. Look at how cute it is. So many of them are here. So cute. That one's still showing its tummy. Find a kangaroo mommy and it's Joey, right? Like you two with mommy on a walk. The solar panels is crazy.